Okay, so welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today, well, I've just got a exciting call from George at the garage. He was like, mate, grab your camera, get down here as soon as you can, because I've got something to show you now. Just like a lot of these blind random videos that I do, I don't actually know what I'm about to walk into, but he said it's a very big update on maybe one of the projects that we have with the guys at the garage. So of course it's only right that we take the lovely abandoned Corsa VXR down to the garage today and normal voltage.
Waiting for connection. Bluetooth connection success.
Thanks. So yeah, we'll run down there in the Corsa, give this a little bit of a run out as well as we are here, because it's rude not to. This car is fantastic and I love just jumping in it and doing little trips, maybe a quick B-road blast here and there. Right, to the garage. Let's see what he's bought. He's bought another car, isn't he? That's what's happened here. Oh. Right, we're here. Let's see what's going on, shall we? Hello? Oh, Daniel. If you've ever wanted to, if you've ever wanted to see what a Transit looks like when it's having an engine change, this is it. Dan's just having the greatest time ever. This is...
Dan doesn't feel well.
And he's underneath a Transit doing a full engine swap. To my stage left, to my left, there is a vehicle that we didn't actually feature. It was like, I think the wing was in the video at some point, and then we it sat. You paid for it, didn't you? As I go over here, you paid for it, didn't you? And then left it on the man's grass for ages because I mean we've got other stuff going on.
I did say I haven't. I'll buy it, but I haven't got a space for it.
Can't actually pick it
now.
up though. Yeah, so that's sometimes how it works.
Karma bit him when he went to go recover it, so that's
This
thing, it took me hours to get it out of his garden. All four wheels locked up, steering lock on. It was a nightmare.
Oh, right. So yeah, this. How long has this been sat there on that grass? I'm talking.
Since we got it.
No, like in general, because this thing's been sat there for a very long time, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's like 3 years.
3 years. There's a racing diesel that's just pulled up. It's not a racing diesel. It's coming to the channel though. Again, it's already been. But we need to explain to people though what's happened, because this was bought in a previous episode. It's now been picked up.
We purchased the shitbox car.
Yeah.
That died.
Yes. Yeah.
Died a funny death.
Over here, this one.
Yeah,
It's died. It's died in the dead pile. Go away. Yep.
So then we were looking for an engine, and we were deciding what we wanted to do, and we came to the conclusion that we wanted to do this.
Yeah, which is here. But before I do say anything, though, this didn't start, did it?
No.
We haven't actually seen this running. I haven't seen it running whatsoever.
Nobody's ever seen it running.
No.
Key cards didn't work. Batteries were flat.
Yeah.
Warning lights.
It was literally bought.
Electrical gremlins.
It was bought because it was there. It didn't start, and you were like, "Oh, this is sort of the only one we can really get hold of." So it was sort of like we're just going to do it.
It could have been an absolute turd.
Yeah.
But it is a bit of a turd.
Yeah. I mean, we're about to go around it and show you guys. Right. Yeah, that's all right then. I mean, right. the reality is this is a very sight unseen. We looked around it for about 10 minutes and. You bought it, yeah. You've got a jump thing on it, so.
Oh no, it's only charging.
It's only charging. Okay. Should we show them now, or? Yeah. Should we do like a montage? Even Rocky had a montage. Yeah, it's from Team America.
Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand. Call 911.
Yes, as you can see behind me, we have, or I don't know, George in his infinite wisdom of buying cars from the side of the road that haven't been started in 4 years. Oh my God, what are you doing?
This shit box right here.
Who does that? What are you doing? Don't damage it. No, what are you doing? It's a lovely car. It might have some scratches on it already. Yeah. this was left for.
It's my party. I'll do it if I want.
Yeah, it's my. I like that. Yeah, so bought by the side of the road off a guy. We'd seen it, but not really seen it. No key. The key card didn't work. It didn't work whatsoever. It wouldn't actually start. What's that? Moss.
Growth. Slight modifications to get it to work.
Oh, you've hotwired it.
No.
No.
You can have a look if you want.
Yeah, I will. Don't you worry about that.
Don't touch anything. It's minging.
Oh yeah, it's disgusting. Like it has been left on a, not even a driveway. It was behind the driveway on a bit of grass, and I think. Well, this proves that it. Well, yeah, that happened. It had to be winched on. We're coming around here. Someone's put yellow wheels on it, but left the black wheel. So there's two sets of wheels, but there isn't actually one whole set of wheels, which is odd. We don't know why, do we? We don't know why. George's having a great time in there. This is the engine bay, but we'll go past that because we'll come back to that in a minute. This is the interior. It is absolutely
lovely.
I
found a tech deck.
The roughest. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh mate, let's go. Do a kickflip then. Come on. Yeah, go on.
The windscreen's in the
Do a kickflip. It's well worth buying if you're doing that. Go on. Yeah. Oh no. Go on.
I can't.
I like that. Do a kickflip. Come on. Oh mate.
Kickflips.
You're ruining the video. Come on, do a kickflip. Yeah. Oh, nearly. So that's free in there. We've got an exhaust.
Yes.
We've got a wheel. There's
Hold on a minute.
stickers.
Hold on a minute.
It's rank in here. I will say that now.
This
It's
ticket
absolutely
from
disgusting.
McDonald's is from. We might be able to work out.
Some time ago.
Someone's had a roach out the corner.
Oh, they've done a roach outside of it. Nice. Are you pulling the racing sun visor off? That's no good. George, how bad does it smell in there?
Pretty bad.
Yeah.
Oh,
this
had to be used. It had to be used by the 31st of December 21.
21. So
3 years.
that's. What are you doing? We're parting it out right here, right now, are we? Oh, look at this.
I'm going to sell
How
one.
dirty that is. What are you doing, broken?
One of these.
What's that?
I don't know. Sucky
Oh,
mount.
sticky sucker thing.
It's for a GoPro, isn't it?
Honestly, well, yeah, put GoPro on there. The centre console is well, yeah.
Got one of them.
I'll come round your side, mate, because this is about as far as I can actually get here. It's got a key mark
Wait, look at this.
pretty much all over the car. Let me just come through. What have you found? What have you found in the McGann of mysteries?
Well, there's
Look at
another
this.
voucher.
Vouchers on vouchers.
With another roach out the corner.
Does that pen work?
I don't know. I'd like to revive it. Do you know why?
Is it a Parker
look
pen?
At her!
Oh, let's go.
No, this
Free
is,
pen.
This is better than Parker, mate. This is a genuine
Genuine.
McDonald's pen.
As if. Is that why the yellow wheels are there and it's blue? Because that's like sort of. It's not McDonald's colours, but that's.
He was a real firms man.
Yeah. This was a press car back in the day for McDonald's. Why is there a McDonald's pen in it? Oh, that's even a thing. I don't even know that was a thing. Ooh. Oh wow, it's got aircon. Can I just point out how much tape is on the handbrake? Why is there so much black tape on that handbrake?
I don't know.
What is going on? What else have you got? Keys to what though? There
Some
might be some
stables.
A
tack room.
Oh, that's no good. Is that why it smells like? I don't know. It's not even horses. It just smells funny in here.
Smells like arse.
It smells like arse. That's true. Oh, I like this racing steering wheel. That's when you're racing. That's nice. Yeah, that's VXR. That. Yep. You can put that in. It's like Arden blue.
We've got a.
That's a
501 LED.
That's a bulb, just in case.
It's not an LED. I know someone will correct me. That's an SMD.
Yeah,
not an
SMD.
LED.
There you go. You know, don't you? So there is a pool of mystery in here as to what the hell was going on. You got a petrol can. That's
And a
always
minion.
good. Oh yeah.
2 minions.
Oh really?
We've got minions.
Casual.
I was just about to say, go through the back door and you'll be able to see the minions.
I can't.
Right, and then we've got this.
This key mark going down here.
Slightly
Right.
modified.
Oh, so that is a slight modification to get this thing to actually take a key card.
You ready?
I am ready, actually. This hasn't been started, has it, since we... Oh! What is that noise? There's a chopper coming in. It actually sounds alright.
Yeah, sounds fine.
As if.
It sounded like that the first time it started, and it didn't take any time to start whatsoever.
What?
I'm not going to show you.
Well, no, yeah, it'd probably lock you out. My VXR does that sometimes. It smells like it's There's rat poo on it. If I'm honest, it smells like rat poo on the exhaust. So it runs. That's a good start. That was the biggest thing. Is we didn't actually when we purchased, like I purchased it. You know, George actually went and bought this pretty much sight unseen by the side of the road. It didn't start. The key card was not working whatsoever. It just wouldn't actually.
Didn't do anything.
Well, it just didn't do anything. It just literally didn't do anything.
Just said insert key card.
Yeah. And when you did, it didn't do anything.
Yeah. Tried everything like us. Tried Monday morning.
Yeah, that's it. Insert
Tried
key
the old
card.
butter knife trick.
Oh yeah.
You put the knife in with the key card.
Nah. No. So I had to do some professional modifications to actually get this thing to take the key card.
The professional mod was to buy a £10.99 Chinese key.
Oh really? Interesting.
Other keys are available.
Yes, from other places.
And then just code it.
Yeah.
And repair the reader wiring.
Oh,
Stuff.
that was easy. Also repair it properly.
Well, no, it's not repaired properly.
Not properly. No, I can't say that.
Well, because I'm not going to use it.
No, well that's true. It's just so it starts.
I just wanted to hear it run. I don't want to do a conversion and it not run.
No,
or
well that's
it sound
true.
like a bag of spanners.
I am so surprised that when it's idling really nicely, it started that easy after 4 years of being sat there.
It sounds better than Clio.
It does sound better than the Clio already.
It doesn't do anything.
No, well, I mean, well,
the thing is,
even when you bought the Clio, it didn't really sound that nice.
No, it sounded like shit.
Right, yeah, but you know,
We knew it was going to blow up.
yeah. Well,
It's just
pretty
how
much.
long it was going to last before it blew up.
Is it
yeah.
going to do a track day or is it going to go off now?
Well, no,
And
yeah, it went
it
off
was
straight
now.
away, yeah. And I'm glad it didn't happen on the track because.
Well, can you imagine how much oil?
Just listen to that.
I'm genuinely shocked at
Doesn't
how
sound good.
lovely that
Can you
actually
imagine
sounds.
though? We did the whole conversion before we got it running. Did everything in the Clio. You start it up and it sounds like a skeleton having a wank of the biscuits in. You would be so fucking pissed off.
You'd be so annoyed. Does this do a
I
burnout?
don't know, probably.
Well, we need to find out. It's on some like
I am
slicky tyres as well. Some like
budget.
nicer. Well, are they?
Yeah, nice.
They look nicer than.
I'm gonna pump the tyres up, get it in a position where it's drivable,
Yeah.
and I do want to test it, make sure the gearbox.
See if it actually goes down the road with the gearbox going through gears.
I know it needs a clutch. He did tell me that,
Right.
but
So
we're
if
gonna
it just slips a little bit, it doesn't matter.
put a clutch in it.
Yeah, that's fine. So fingers crossed. But let's air the tyres up and see if it actually moves, shall we?
Now it runs. I did actually give the go-ahead on the hybrid turbo and the 630cc injectors.
We haven't even pulled the engine apart yet.
But
You're out of control.
It runs.
You are out of control.
It runs.
It runs. Getting fighting to get it in gear. It actually moves. Wow. Okay. The clutch works, and the gearbox is it's in her gear. Ooh. Give her a rev then. We found a wheel in the boot. It's a yellow one though. We want the black ones really.
And faithful.
Oh, look at this.
Look, I found
Here we
faithful.
go. We've got some.
Faithful.
What's that? Highland decorating. Shout out. We've got some faithful lighting. We've got some plimp soles.
I've got 4
Jamie's
yellow
got
wheels
condom.
and 3 black ones.
Yeah, you wanted the black ones.
Black
really,
ones are the
didn't
ones I wanted to keep.
Yeah, I think the black ones would be the shout. What, a boot full of goodies, that's always good, isn't it? What's this? What is it? A
Probably
sticker with some things on it.
I think it's like a sun strip.
Ooh, new sun strip. Dan is going to town with the tape he's just found.
What are you doing, Dan?
I think putting a phallus on there, I think. Large phallus on the roof.
Oh, what
Oh, racing stripes.
checkers for the
Oh,
roof.
nice.
They're not.
What are you doing?
Have a look.
Look at my art. I love art.